everyone, and welcome back to Sign Language Worship. My name is Mandy, and I'm so glad that you are here. This week we're going to be learning Change My Heart, Oh God. And I shouldn't have said week because we are going to do it all in one video. So we're going to learn it in one video, and then the next video we're going to sign with the music. So it's a little bit of a quicker learn than some of the other songs we've done. But before we get started, remember, I am left-handed. That means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you look below this video, in the description, you're going to find a link to print off lyrics or purchase a song. And last but not least, please consider subscribing to the channel or check out the website, signlanguageworship.com. All the tutorials are there as well. Okay, so change my heart, oh God. So for change, you're going to start with your two fists like this with just your index fingers out. Change, okay? Change my, and then heart, okay? Making a heart over where your heart is, and then God, it's the letter B down the middle of your face, just like this, okay? Change my heart, oh God, make it ever true. To make something, two fists, okay? Bent wrist, straight wrist, make it ever true. So forever is a little tricky, but if you keep with signing, especially signing worship, you do it all the time. Okay, so you start with your dominant hand with your index finger up, you go around and you turn, putting your thumb in your pinky finger and then push it out. Okay, make it ever, then true. Index finger out from your mouth. And then it repeats, change my heart, oh God, may I be like you. So may I, you can either point to yourself or do an I or chest, be like you. So you're going to do that same one when you were doing forever, but like this, and go back and forth, like you. Okay, and then it goes, change my heart, oh God, make it ever true. Change my heart, oh God, may I be like you. Now, you are the potter, I am the clay. You, pointing to God in heaven, are the potter. So for potter, we're going to show pottery. So imagine you're shaping something, okay? Pottery, person. Pottery, person. Pottery, person, okay? So you are the potter. I am the clay. We don't have a sign for clay, so we're going to have to finger spell it. C-L-A-Y. Okay, C, rounded hands, making an L with your index and your thumb. A, you're making a fist with your finger on the top, and then Y. Hey, if you have trouble with finger spelling, just leave it out. Remember, this is about worshiping God, and God cares far more about your heart than he cares about your hands. So just do the best you can, okay? C-L-A-Y. Mold me and make me. So mold me, once again, it's the pottery, right? Mold me and make me. This is what I pray. So this is what, so striking your hand, what I pray. Okay? Let's try that from the top. Or at least from you are the potter. You are the potter. I am the clay. Mold me and make me. This is what I pray. Okay, or you can also do pray like this. Either is acceptable. And then it goes back. Change my heart, oh God. Make it ever true. Change my heart, oh God, may I be like you. And then it goes, Jesus, oh Jesus, come fill your lamb. So Jesus is great. You're showing the nail-pierced hands. Jesus, oh Jesus, come with your index finger out from your body. Come, fill. Imagine your non-dominant hand is a cup. You're going to fill it, fill, and then your lambs. So your, and then lambs, you have your non-dominant hand out, and it's like you're shearing your arm, okay? Lambs. And then that repeats, Jesus, oh Jesus, come fill your lambs. Okay, let's try it from the top. Change my heart, oh God. Make it ever true. Change my heart, oh God. May I be like you. And then that repeats. And then it goes to you are the potter. You are the potter. I am the clay. Mold me and make me. This is what I pray. And it goes back to change my heart, oh God. Change my heart, oh God. Make it ever true. Change my heart, oh God. May I be like you. And then that ending part, Jesus, oh Jesus, come fill your lambs. Jesus, oh Jesus, come fill your lambs. And that's all you need for Change My Heart, oh God. I hope you enjoyed yourself. I know I did. And practice as many times as you need to. When you're ready, we'll sign with the music. Hope you're having a great day. Bye. If you liked today's video, please click like. It gives me the encouragement I need to make more. Also, don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll miss no future songs. And lastly, share Sign Language Worship on Facebook. Find a friend to learn sign with. That way, you're both more likely to stick with it. See you later.